I have a scene and I have this plane which emits particles. That's great, but it casts really ugly shadow to my scene. In Eevee, I can remove it by going into the Materials tab, and I have a material. In Settings, you can see that we have Shadow Mode, which is by default this opaque, whatever. So we can change it to none, and the shadow disappears. Also have this shadow on the plane, on the ground plane, and when my sun is going from the backwards, it also casts the shadow. So if I select this and I will change the shadow mode to none, it will fix that. However, it only fixes the problem on Eevee. If I go to the cycles, I have the same problem. In cycles, you can fix it in this properties tab and in visibility tab and ray visibility. It is hidden a little bit, but you can disable the shadows here. I will do the same for this plane, and now I don't have the shadows from the object that shouldn't cast shadows. If you want to learn Blender, check out my Skillshare and Udemy courses. Links are in the description below.